Oftentimes you want to capture something that is part of another document or part of another website, and you're not quite sure how to do that. You can do this in a variety of ways. One's taking a screenshot, but my favorite is using the snipping tool. The snipping tool can be found if you use the search window and just start typing snip, or go in through your Windows browser and you can locate it here at the top under snipping tool. The great thing about snipping tool versus screenshot is you have the flexibility to capture all or part of the page or document. So if I really wanted an entire screen, I could highlight that. If I just wanted one small section, I could highlight that. Once you open snipping tool, you have a menu. The most thing you're going to do most often is create a new snip, and when you do that, your screen is going to gray out and you're going to get this little plus sign. It says to drag the cursor around the area you want. So again, if you wanted the whole screen, you would just take it and drag the whole screen. Let's say I just want this ticket here, so I'm going to capture that, and it automatically turns it into a picture file. From here, you can do lots of things. You can use a pen to edit it. All right, you can say, ooh, look at how cute that is. You could say highlight parts of it if you want. Anything you need to do. It's a picture file. You likely want to save it, so you go to Save As. That'll save it to your pictures file on your computer. If not, you could say use it right away and copy it. It'll create a copy that you can paste into another document. I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this because I don't need it. And it's going to say, do you want to save it? No, I do not. Good luck. Have fun.